Welcome to my channel, Torque Mythz. Today we're diving into one of the most aggressive, iconic, and luxurious cars of modern times, the Mercedes-AMG GT-RN, a bold matte gray out finish. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more car reviews, performance insights, and full cinematic visuals. Let's get started. You know, not all fast cars are born to scream. Some arrive silently, with elegance, with presence, and with a confidence that only comes from knowing it's in a class of its own. This is the Mercedes-AMG GT-R Coupe. Matte gray, no flames, no wings, no exaggerated body kits. Just raw precision, dressed in a tuxedo, the kind of car you don't see. You notice it, like a shadow cast under moonlight. Powerful, mysterious, unforgettable. Let's talk about its skin. The exterior, it isn't flashy, it's flawless. Each panel sculpted with the finesse of a designer's pen and the heart of a racer's ambition. That long hood, it stretches forward like the nose of a beast waiting to pounce. The wide stance, it hugs the road with quiet authority. And the Panamericana grille, straight from the AMG GT3 race car, but now turned into a work of street art. The headlights aren't just functional, they're poetry in LEDs. Sharp, confident, and intelligent. They don't blink, they focus. From the side, the AMG GT-R draws no unnecessary attention. It doesn't need to. The silhouette says everything. It's low, sleek, aggressively smooth, a masterclass in restraint, designed by obsession. Step around to the rear, and it speaks again. The quad exhaust tips, the wide rear haunches, the carbon fiber diffuser, all functional, all ferociously subtle. It doesn't flex, it doesn't shout, it simply stands and lets its reputation echo. But the outside, that's only half the story. Because the moment you open that door, you don't sit in this car, you enter it. The interior? Luxury, distilled through the AMG philosophy. Deep racing seats, hand-stitched in black leather with red accents that hint at its heartbeat. A flat-bottom steering wheel wrapped in suede and carbon fiber, made for grip, for control, for command. The dashboard? A wraparound carbon fiber fortress. Clean, minimal, intimidating in the best way. Aluminum air vents, chrome switchgear, ambient lighting that glows like a city skyline at night. But what sets it apart is how everything feels like it belongs to a single purpose. You. The infotainment isn't cluttered. The controls don't overwhelm. It's balanced. Like a luxury suit, custom fit, cleanly tailored, and impossible to ignore. And then there's the sound. You press start, and the AMG V8 doesn't growl. It announces itself. A handcrafted 4.0-liter twin turbocharged V8, 577 horsepower, 516 pound-feet of torque, a 0 to 100 km/h time of just 3.6 seconds. But here's the secret. This isn't a car built for the track. It's not a burnout champion. It's not your drift king. It's not meant to scare you. It's meant to inspire you. The Mercedes-AMG GT-R is not chaos, it's control. Pure, calculated, German-engineered dominance. Where some cars bite, this one glides. Where others scream, this one sings. The suspension? Razor sharp, yet comfortable. The steering? Weighted, direct, alive. Every gear shift, lightning quick, yet smoother than silk. Because Mercedes didn't build this to compete with the wild ones. They built it to outclass them. This isn't a car for kids dreaming of tire smoke. This is for the one who's been there, who's tasted speed, and now demands refinement with it. The GT-R is a reminder. Luxury can move. Grace can be aggressive. And performance doesn't need to shout to be heard. What makes this car special? It's not just the numbers, it's the way it delivers them. It's the silence of the cabin when you cruise at 200. It's the way the leather smells, like heritage. It's the look pedestrians give when it rolls by. Half fear, half awe. It's the confidence of a machine that knows exactly what it is. Because when Mercedes-AMG designed the GTR, they didn't build a toy. They built a statement. This isn't a monster. It's a masterpiece. This isn't a scream. It's a whisper that silences the room. And this isn't just another supercar. This is the Mercedes-AMG GTR. And it doesn't chase legends. It becomes one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and drop a comment below. What do you want us to review next? The Hellcat, the Charger EV, or something completely wild? Don't forget to subscribe to Torque Mythz for more high-octane content, cinematic visuals, and honest car reviews. Until next time, stay fast, stay loud.